Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got the watch that I've been waiting for weeks now. You might have seen my other video where I unboxed 3 Tissot watches, and it was missing this one. It finally arrived. It was quite delayed, but it's finally here, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing video of it before I start working on my full review of this watch. So let's get into this one quickly. First, wristwatch check. I am wearing my Aquastar Deep Star chronograph. This is the 39mm version. This is the black dialed one, even though it almost looks like the gray one here because it is, has this sunburst effect. Beautiful watch, absolutely love it. It's a little on the large side. Obviously, it's quite thick because of the chronograph, but I love this watch, wearing it on the original Tropic rubber strap. Now, let's check this one out. And there's the box, and there's the watch. Check this. This is the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80, 35mm, with the beautiful new mother of pearl white dial. Let's get the box out of the way. Let's check out the watch. And this dial is beautiful, beautiful dial. It looks very like a cream color here, and if you have a more light, it will look more like a normal white dial. And then if you get it at an angle, you see the mother of pearl effect really shining. Beautiful, beautiful. This is, in my opinion, the nicest of the 4 35mm PRXs that recently released. And this is the one that I'm going to keep for sure. Let's try it on, right? These are quite different in size. But look at this. This is beautiful, beautiful watch. And it has been sized for me, so let's just pop it right on. And there it is. So if anyone wants to buy my Christopher Ward the 12, hit me up. I got a new friend. This, throw it away. I love this. Wow. Beautiful. This is the best PRX done. There's no question about it. This is Tissot's best work in my opinion. Look at this dial, huh? Look at this dial. Beautiful. Size perfect. It's really like a vintage vibe, and I love it. I love it. And I don't want to be harsh on this watch because this watch is great. It's a much more modern, sporty watch. This is better. Like in any way, it's a better watch, in my opinion. Better finish, better everything. But I like this more. I like this a lot more. But they are completely different. They are so different that I would say you can almost not compare them. Comparison we could say is that this is a Tudor Pelagos and this is a Tudor Black Bay. I love the Pelagos, but Black Bay gets my vote. Even though the Pelagos has better specs or whatever, this has more charm. So yeah, guys, actually, like, I'm selling all my watches. Just hit me up if you're interested. I only need, like, I'm a one watch guy nowadays, ever since like 2 minutes ago. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you this really quickly. I'm going to do a full review with this watch. I'll show you in a moment if you haven't seen it. Not so easy to show it actually, but yeah, it's not something to even, I don't care about the movement. It's basically an ETA 2824 modified, and not modified in a way that I like it, but I don't care. Look at this. My watch collection days are gone. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. I will review this watch before I retire completely, but yeah, What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm really curious to hear what you guys think. Is it too feminine? Nah. Not for me. Not for me. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you on the review. I really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks again, and goodbye.